when I wake up, my mom isn't there to make breakfast for me, so I gotta kind of improvise. Cereal ran out, and there was only one packet of Oreo left, and I wanted to leave that for my brother because I'm a good person. And so out of the corner of my eyes, I saw that beautiful pack of Doritos, of barbecue Doritos. So, improvisation.
In the story, she had to go into a waterfall to wash herself away from all that social media / all that black magic in order to heal herself. I guess in reality, I think it's the friend who's on social media needs to find her inner self, or the friend confronts her. It's either confronting or realizing to me, because some people they have this way of reaching out or finding their inner selves. So I was trying to go for that.
My parents are very hardworking people. They try to provide the best for my family. I love to play soccer with my best friend Ahmad. It's my favorite hobby and sport.
Get up, hurry, we gotta leave.
I was confused. What was happening? Why did we have to leave? I just woke up and I was told we had to leave. My parents were in such a hurry, they didn't even let me take my favorite soccer jersey. We got into the airport and we had to figure out a way to pass the security because they wouldn't let us go on the plane without a plane ticket. Now all we needed was to get on the plane that was going to Canada. My family started to hear gunshots, and if attackers captured us, they would kill us. I was worried, and my family told me that.
Don't worry, we'll keep you safe.
So I calmed down by thinking the airport was a huge soccer field.
We want to create an experience media that is a voice for the voiceless,
helps us to think and be positive, helps us not to be critical,
helps us to see the harsh reality of life and the ways people suffer,
helps us focus on what matters in life, for example, education,
shows us how to accountable for our actions,
shows us the importance of treating others how we want to be treated,
inspires us to do good things,
inspires us to become healthier,
inspires people to take action in their communities,
raises awareness about people going through hard times, shows respect as a way of life,
demonstrates a need for courage, shares morals and wisdom from countries around the world,
shows us how important it is to rely on our parents and our families,
demonstrates the importance of considering other people's feelings and worldviews, gives us examples of what it looks like to be a role model without being aggressive,
shows us character to relate to, shows us examples of how something small for one person could be another person's biggest dream,
shows us how much control we have over our own choices and life, shows us that everyone is human and equal, but we all have different roles to play in this life.
Maybe like religious things.
Yeah, because talking about our religion and all that.
Of course,
Yeah.
If someone like finishes the Quran or something, like, oh, did you see that? Like, you should be trying to do that too. And like, we do, and like, that's like apparently like better. So yeah,
Apparently, it's obvious.
yeah, it is better, but like,
It's like life goals.
like